Welcome to Kids Study Station. Today in phonics reading, we are reading Songbirds, Splash and Squelch. We like to swing. We like to whiz and spin. We like to yell in tunnels. We like to splish, splash and splosh. We like to run in the sun and dig in the sand. We like to squelch in the mud and stamp on the twigs. We like to jump off a log and hit a stump with a stick. We like to hop like frogs and spring like squirrels. And when we get home, we like to flop. Here ends the story of Splash and Squelch. Do you like the video, which motivates me to bring more phonics videos for you, and subscribe the channel to enjoy the stories, phonics stories, and learn phonics. Again we will meet with one more phonics video. But till, bye!